Okay, so now we're going to put a little more detail in here. So we're going to select this cylinder. I'm going to hit Edit, Duplicate, and now we have to make it a little bigger. So make sure you have Snap Grid on 0.25. Select the corner and Shift left mouse click. Now we're going to use the left arrow key. It's just a little too much, so let's just shrink it down just a little teeny bit. Okay, now go down to 0.1. There. Nice. Okay. So now we're going to make a cut with a cube. So again, we're going to use our handy tool plane, and I'm going to drag a rectangular cube here, and let's just shrink this down. We don't need it that big. Alright, now facing the cube, we're going to use the up arrow key. I'm going to move this up a bit, or we can use our Shift button. So first you hold Shift, select the object, and drag, and there we have it locked in one axis. Then select Shift again, select your object, and there we go. Much faster. Alright, go to Hole. Now we're going to rotate this 45 degrees. It's a little too much, so let's go to 22.5. And now we're going to use the bottom arrow key, and we're going to shrink this down. There we go. Then we're going to pull this out just a little bit. Just there. Actually just push it in a little bit more. There. Okay. I want it to cut out a little more, so I'm going to select this part and I'm going to drag it up. There. Let's see, is it leave it enough? Let's just pull it out just a little bit. Okay. So now we will select, using Shift, the new cylinder, and hit Group. And there, get this really cool little cut, which gives us that extra detail that we need. Alright. Actually, I'm going to undo that. Alright. I'm going to select the cylinder. I'm going to move it down. And then I'm going to duplicate it, Edit, Duplicate, then use the up arrow key and just line it up to the bottom. Then I select this control point and drag it up. There we go. You can just probably drag it down just a little bit. There. We get that extra detail and wasn't a pain in the butt. So we'll select the cylinder, the former cylinder, select the whole cube and hit group, and there you go. Alright, now just looking at the picture I can tell this is too big, so I'm going to slide that up. And I'm going to push these in a little bit. I'm going to push, there we go. I'm going to pull this out. And then I'm going to, so it lines up. Still a little long. So a little bit more. And this is completely normal to do this. Artists are always looking over stuff, checking things out, looking at the reference and going, oh, you know what, that's a little too big, that's a little too long. Alright. And since we don't really have any exact measurements of Chopper, you know, we're basically estimating using our eye, so it's okay if it's a little off. I think we're getting pretty close. Okay. Alright. That's it for his left leg. Next we'll start taking care of his body. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe.